Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I achieved this beautiful crochet ponytail style using products that were sent to me by Dynasty, then please go ahead and keep on watching. So as you can see here, my hair is dry, brittle, and dirty, so I am going to attempt to remedy that using the Dynasty Give Me Slip Blast Hydration Conditioner. Now I'm going to use this conditioner as a co-wash and apply a generous amount of this throughout my hair strands and proceed to rinse that out. This conditioner works for all hair types and is especially great for dry hair that is in need of oil-free moisture and hydration. To restore moisture back onto my hair and to strengthen my cuticles, I am going to proceed to deep condition my hair using the Dynasty Pumpkin Mint Deep Treatment. Now this deep treatment is designed to work for all hair types, which means it can work for us natural ladies, those who are transitioning, or even those of us who are relaxed. So I'm going to apply a generous amount of this to my hair and then separate it into 4 sections and detangle and let that sit for 30 minutes.
Anything you want from me, girl. I've been looking like
Once I've finished letting that sit for 30 minutes, I'm going to rinse my hair and follow that up with the Kalahari Smoothie leave-in. The leave-in conditioner also works for all hair types, and it works especially great for those of us who have porous, curly, kinky, and even very dry hair types that are in need of hydration.
I said my baby girl done know, yeah. You shine like sun gold, yeah.
So to begin the styling process, I'm going to part the front of my hair into a U shape and tuck that away. And for the back section, I'm going to go in with the Dynasty Vanilla Cream Custard Curl Defining Cream and proceed to form my hair into a ponytail. Now, what I love about this curl defining custard is that although it's creamy on the outside, it has the consistency of a gel. So it does give me that strong hold without the crunch and the flaking.
Girl, I can't deny it. No, 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 no. Do for me, girl. Anything you want from me, girl.
So once I've finished doing my ponytail, I'm going to proceed to section off the ends of that ponytail into 2 and form 2 2-strand twists, which I'm going to then wrap around the base of the ponytail and pin that into place. Moving back to the front of my hair, I'm going to slightly mist my hair with some water and then go back with that vanilla cream custard and apply that to my hair strands. And then I'm going to proceed to twist my hair around some orange flexi rods. All in total, I have about 12 flexi rods in the front. Once I finish applying all those flexi rods, I'm going to sit under a hooded dryer for an hour and 30 minutes.
Girl, I can't deny it. I said my baby girl don't go. I'm looking for a no show. I don't wanna be solo. Completely, girl don't go. I'm just looking for a lover. I'm just looking for a lover. I don't ever wanna suffer.
For the back of my hair, I cheated a little bit because I did not want to spend the entire time flexi rodding the back. So I'm going to apply a donut bun and secure that in place, and then proceed to crochet some pre-looped curls onto that bun. I'm going to work from the inner circle of the bun and make my way to the outside. I used 4 packs of the Jamaican Bounce curl brand, and I am not going to separate each of those curls. I attempted to separate like 2 of them, and then I saw that it would give me frizz, so I decided not to do that. But if you don't mind the frizz, then you can get away with using 2 packs of the Jamaican Bounce and then just separating them in half. But for the purpose of the style, because I wanted the curls to look somewhat uniformed, I'm not going to separate them. To complete this style, I'm going to apply the organic oil blend to give my hair some additional shine and just to help me separate those curls. I'm going to separate each curl about 2 to 3 times because I still want it to look uniform to the back. And overall, that is it, guys. I really enjoyed this Dynasty line. It left my hair feeling super moisturized. It does not leave my hair feeling weighed down, so that's always a plus in my book. If you're interested in any of these products, please take a look at the description box. I will have all the information for you down below. Thank you all so much for watching. watching. Don't forget to click on that like button. Leave me some love down in the comment section below. Subscribe and connect with me on my Instagram, Creole Natural. Until the next time, my beautiful souls, peace and light.
Girl, I can't deny it. No, 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 no.